A very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to start the next chapter, that is the human reproduction. This is a chapter from the very first unit, chapter number 3, human reproduction. Today I am going to start this chapter. So human reproduction, clear from the name, we will discuss about the male and female reproduction, reproductive organs, how they reproduce, and the various parts associated with these things. So as you all know, human beings reproduce sexually. Human beings जो है sexual reproduction करते हैं and they are viviparous. Human beings reproduce sexually and they are viviparous. Now what are viviparous? Viviparous are those organisms that give birth to the young ones. So human beings जो हैं they reproduce sexually and they give birth to the young ones. So the reproductive phase starts at the after the puberty stage. Puberty stage, when your body organs start developing for the reproduction. When your teenage period comes, there are so many changes in your body, and after the puberty stage the reproductive phase started. Now it involves the following things in the following phases that are the part of the reproductive phase. So first one is the gametogenesis. Now what is gametogenesis? It is a formation of the gametes in the body of the male or the female. So female और male की body में जब gametes की formation होती हैं तो that is known as the gametogenesis. Male body में it produces the sperms. जो male gametes होते हैं they are known as the sperms. Male gametes are known as the sperms and female gametes are known as the ovum. Female gamete is known as the ovum while the male gametes are known as the sperm. So there is a formation of the gametogenesis. Formation of the gamete means the gametogenesis. Next one is the insemination. So the very first process that takes place is the gametogenesis. After it, it is the insemination. Now what is insemination? It is a transfer of the male gametes into the female genital tract. जो female का genital tract होता है वहाँ पे जो male gametes हैं उनको जब transfer करते हैं that process is known as the insemination. Next one is the fertilization. After the insemination there occurs the process that is the fertilization. Now what is the fertilization? Now when male gametes enter the female genital tract, they fuse with each other. Male and female gamete, the fusion of the male and the female gamete is known as the fertilization, and this led to the formation of the zygote. जब male और female gamete जो है आपस में मिलते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं fusion of the male and female gamete, and after this fusion they leads to the formation of the zygote. Next comes the implantation. अब फ्यूजन हो गया, जाइगोट बन गया, अब क्या है इम्प्लांटेशन. इम्प्लांटेशन मीन्स अब जो ब्लास्टोसिस्ट बना है देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन एंड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द ब्लास्टोसिस्ट. ब्लास्टोसिस्ट क्या कि एक जैसे जाइगोट बना, 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 8, ऐसे जो है हमारे पास ब्लास्टोसिस्ट बन जाते हैं, फॉर्मेशन होती है उनकी, डेवलपमेंट होती है, एंड फाइनली दे अटैच टू द यूट्रियन वॉल. जो फीमेल यूट्रस की वॉल होती है उससे जब वो अटैच हो जाता है दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द इम्प्लांटेशन. नेक्स्ट वन इज द gestation or gestation period. So this is the time when the embryo develops in the body of the female. वो टाइम जब embryo मदर यूट्रस के अंदर, मदर वॉर्म के अंदर जो एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट होती है वो टाइम पीरियड, दैट इज़ द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द 9 months. वो जो टाइम पीरियड है उनको हम अपनी साइंस की लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं gestation period. So this is known as the period where the embryonic development occurs. And the last one is the paturation. That is the delivery of the बेबी जब बॉडी के मदर बॉडी से बेबी जो है डैट इज एक्सपेल्ड आउट, जो बेबी की डिलीवरी होती है, डैट स्टेज इज नोन एज द पैचुरेशन. सो दिस आर ऑल द थिंग्स that occurs in the reproductive phase of the human beings, and this started from the gametogenesis till the paturation. Gametogenesis means formation of gametes, insemination means the transfer of gametes, fertilization means the fusion of gametes and the formation of zygote, implantation means the development of blastocyst and the you can say attachment on the uterine wall. Gestation period means embryonic development, and the paturation means the delivery of the baby. So these are the phases that occurs in the reproductive phase of the human beings. Now after this I'm going to discuss with you the male reproductive and the female reproductive system, whole of the male and the female human reproductive system. So firstly we will discuss about the male reproductive system. Now in the male reproductive system, it is located in the pelvic region, and it consists of, firstly the male reproductive system, it is located in the pelvic region, and it consists of the following parts. The first one is the testes, a pair of testes or testes. This is the diagram of the testes. I will explain you later. Then we have the accessory ducts and the glands. And the next one is the external genitalia. So the male reproductive system, it is located in the pelvic region, and it consists of the three parts. First one is the pair of the testes, second one is the accessory glands and the duct, and third one is the external genitalia. So firstly we will discuss about the first part, that is the pair of the testes. Now this pair of testes, it is situated under the outside the abdominal cavity. This is the abdominal cavity. So it is situated under the abdominal, outside the abdominal cavity. So testes, it is situated, first thing, outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch that is known as scrotum. So it is situated outside the abdominal cavity and within the pouch that is known as scrotum. So this is the part of the testes, and it helps in the why it is protecting the scrotum, because it protects the testes and helps in maintaining the temperature, that the temperature in the scrotum is 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade less than the normal body temperature. Why it is situated in scrotum? Because it protects the testes, and secondly it helps to maintain the temperature of the testes, that is the temperature in the scrotum is 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade less than the normal body temperature. जितना भी normal body temperature होता है, scrotum का temperature उससे 2 या 2 से 2.5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड कम होता है, सो डैट वहाँ पे जो स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन के लिए टेम्परेचर चाहिए उस टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन कर सकें. नाउ जो टेस्टिस है डैट इज ओवल इन शेप. जो टेस्टिस है इट इज ओवल इन शेप. शेप जो है टेस्टिस की ओवल है. लेंथ जो है अबाउट 4 to 5 सेंटीमीटर इन लेंथ, 2 to 3 सेंटीमीटर इन विड्थ, एंड हैज़ अबाउट 250 कंपार्टमेंट, छोटे छोटे कंपार्टमेंट हैं अराउंड 250, जिसको हम कहते हैं टेस्टिक्युलर lobules. So small around 250 compartments are there, and these compartments are called testicular lobules. So this is about the testes. Now these testicular lobules have the seminiferous tubules that are the site of the sperm formation. ये जो हमारे पास है टेस्टिकुलर lobules, इनमें नेक्स्ट जो है हमारे पास होता है सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स, जो कि बेसिकली साइट है, मीन्स जहाँ पे स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन की प्रोडक्शन होती है. सो सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ 2 टाइप्स ऑफ सेल्स. One is the male germ cell and another one is the serotolized cells. So ये जो है ये 2 पार्ट से बना होता है. One is the male germ cell, जिसको हम कहते हैं spermatogonia, while another one is the serotolized cells, जो कि उसे प्रोवाइड करता है, न्यूट्रिशन देता है. फर्स्ट जो है मेल जर्म सेल स्पर्मेटोगोनिया, दैट हेल्प्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द स्पर्म्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रोसेस ऑफ मियोसिस, वाइल दिस सेल्स सर्टोलाइज्ड सेल्स, दिस प्रोवाइड नरिशमेंट टू द जर्म सेल्स. सो ये जो हमारे पास हैं सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स, इनके बीच में जो है देयर इज़ अ इंटरस्टिशियल स्पेसेस, जिनको हम कहते हैं लेडिक सेल्स or interstitial cells. They are also known as ladle and interstitial cells. Now what is the function of these cells? They basically produce the androgens, that is the टेस्टिकुलर हॉर्मोन्स, जो टेस्टिस प्रोड्यूस करने में जो टेस्टिकुलर हॉर्मोन्स होते हैं लेडिक सेल्स वो सिक्रीट करता है एंड सिंथेसाइज करता है. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द टुडेज टॉपिक. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.